Oxidation we completed. Anything remaining? Things we are calculating oxidation states. Should we continue? Few more examples. Please do this one. If given, okay. Otherwise, we can try again. Please try these questions. It may look practice again. You can do, no problem. This is. Try again, maybe practice one more time. Don't look back your answers. Test like this, you can try again. Can you try? I think we didn't done all these examples. We made done 1 or 2 examples. Is it correct? Yes. You can try, sir. If you didn't get, we'll discuss again. Okay, these are some exceptions. Those we'll discuss. Okay, fine. Do this one. One numbering, sir. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First question we are doing, sir. H2, S2, O7. This is hydrogen is always +1 oxidation number. So 2 into 1 plus sulfur is, I don't know, that's why 2x, because 2 sulfurs is, that's why 2x. Sulfur alone x values are, but 2 sulfurs, that's why 2x, plus each oxygen is -2, but how many oxygens here? 7, equal to 0, because this molecule doesn't contain any charge, that's why 0. 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. By solving this is, we'll get 2x equal to 12, then x equal to plus 6. Then second question, K2Cr2O7. So this is 2 into 1, because potassium is 1, plus this is 2x. Same again, plus -2 into 7 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 6. Then 3, KMnO4, K is 1 plus M is x, plus 4 into -2 equal to 0, then x equal to plus 7. Then fourth one, from here onwards exceptions, please note down structure. This is we called Carros acid, or peroxy monosulfuric acid sulfur double bond O. This is the structure. So which is oxygen oxygen bond, that's we call peroxy bond. In peroxides oxygen oxygen state, how much I given? Anyone you remembered? In peroxides oxygen oxidation number. Anyone you remembered, sir? -1. -1. So here oxygen is -1, here -1. So now can you try? Hydrogen is 1 plus 2 oxygens, 2 into -1 plus. These are -2, sir. These are regular. So 3 oxygens. I'm writing 2 hydrogens, 2 into 1, sir. So 2 oxygens, 2 into -1. And 3 oxygens, 3 into -2. Plus sulfur, I don't know. This is X equal to 0. So all this one, -2 plus 2 will be cancelled. How much X equal to? Plus 6. Keep in mind, any element maximum oxidation number equal to its valency electrons. We given last class. Maximum oxidation number of any element equal to its oxidation number. I think so. Last class I given this statement. How many people noted down? Sulfur is 16th group. Our valence electrons is 6. Peptides is O2 2 minus, sir, that is. I think so. You didn't get that point. Please down again. I given O2 minus. Then each oxygen, how much here? Each oxygen, same structure I given. Oxygen, oxygen. This is -1. This is -1. Each oxygen, how much? -1. Understood? Otherwise, you can take 2 oxygens -2 only, na? 2 oxygen total charge is -2. Please check any your confusion. Sir, how 3 into -2? Able to see diagram? Ashwin, are you able to see diagram? This is -2. This oxygen. There is no peroxy bond. So there is no peroxy bond means -2. Here also there is no peroxy bond. -2. Here also oxygen, is there any peroxy bond? No. -2. Understood? Only peroxy bonds you have to take like that. Any other? No problem. We are doing first time. Still we are giving too much good answers. Every time we are giving maximum answers. So too good, that is. Something you may not get at the time. After explanation, if you are able to understand. I think you understood this Carros acid. Shall we do one more example, which is you may got that is answer also wrong. I'm doing, sir. That is. What is the fifth one? H2S28. Yes. H2S2O8. This is peroxy disulfuric acid. So because two sulfurs, that's why disulfuric acid, or another name Marshall's acid. Marshall's acid. So having structure, please note down. Same sulfur bond. Or a sulfur can form maximum 6 bonds. This is also like fuzzles only. If you are doing any newspaper or somewhere fuzzles, similarly, you have to very easy all these structures also. If you know valency of element, we can do easily. How many peroxy bonds can you do that one here? Which oxygen is -1, which is can find. This is -2 because no peroxy bond. This is also -2, no peroxy bond. -2, no peroxy bond. But here -1 because of peroxy bond. 2, -2, -2. Anything doubt here? Please look into the structure. We'll do that one, sir, today. Which is peroxy bond? Oxygen bond we call peroxy bond. In that cases, oxygen oxidation number is -1. Wherever you have oxygen linkage, those only. Already I given O2 2 minus. This is peroxide. I give oxidation number, sir. Clear? So those only -1. Here we can find how many hydrogens here total in these molecules? 2 hydrogens. Each hydrogen oxidation state how much? 1 plus 1. So 2 into 1. Clear? You can see here 2 hydrogens. You can write 2 into 1 plus sulfur. I don't know how many sulfurs are here. 2 sulfur. Our target is to calculate sulfur oxidation number only 2x plus. How many oxygens -2 here? 6 oxygens is -2 plus how many oxygens -1? 2 oxygens. 2 into 1 equal to 0 because H2S2 doesn't have any charge. Is it correct? Is there any charge? All this molecule? No. If there is no charge means you have to write 0. So how much you can calculate here? 2 plus 2x minus 12 minus 2 equal to 0. This -2 plus 2 will be cancelled. Then 2x equal to plus 12. Then x equal to plus 6. Already I given very clearly sulfur is 16th group or 6 valence electrons. Sulfur atomic number 16. You can write 16 electrons, sir. 2, 8. Next. What will you get, sir? 2, 4. So this is the configuration, electronic configuration. So this is valency electrons. Total 6 they present. Which is the last number, sir? Those are valence electrons. 6 electrons present. So 6 they can lose maximum. So that is the reason we are writing. Other example. What we given CrO5? So which one is the example number? This is chromium peroxide, sir. This name is chromium peroxide. Example 6. CrO5. This name is chromium peroxide. Structure of chromium peroxide I am giving. Please try to solve. And this structure we call butterfly structure because looking butterfly, that's why this is. Please find chromium oxygen state. How many peroxy bonds is there, sir? Here, wherever oxygen bond is there, that is peroxy bond. Can you try this question? Can you try chromium oxygen number? Anyone? Plus 6. Very good, sir. Or you can see very simple. This is -2 because peroxy bond. Oxygen bond is there. Array, sorry, -1, na? -1. Sorry. Array, -1. Peroxy bond is -1, sir. Here also -1. Peroxy bond -1. Here there is no peroxy bond. That's why -2. Chromium, I don't know. I can assume X. Chromium, I don't know. I can assume X. Plus 4 oxygen is -1, sir. Plus 1 oxygen is -2 equal to 0. Then can you do this one? X equal to plus 6. Another one. Seventh one. HNO4. Nitrogen maximum oxidation state 5 because nitrogen 2 5 is there. Is it correct? So maximum they can 5. So nitrogen structure is N double bond O. Oxygen this coordinate covalent bond going to be learned later. Oxygen H. So 1 into hydrogen plus this is -1, 2 into -1 plus 2 into -2 equal to 0, X equal to plus 5. Array, last 4 or 5 structures only you need structures, remaining you don't want structures. Okay, these only fixed structures everywhere you are getting. I given these things, remaining you can learn during lessons going on. How to structure and everything we can try to find chapter 4 chemical bonding. Okay, remaining you done already yesterday questions which is given. Only these few structures we are not able to do because these are exception. Those already given, same questions you will get as it is. As it is you will get, sir, same questions. Array, how to draw structures we are going to learn chapter number 4 chemical bonding. Understood? Right now only few structures which is exception and important, those I provided here. Remaining structures we are going to be learn in chemical bonding, and overall when you are learning 11th plus 12th syllabus you may get all structures perfectly. Even this all the structures which we given mostly those compounds from 12th standard. Anything? Sulfur is negative, positive, everything they can show that based on situation. Okay, like you are always, suppose I am taking you the person, suppose assume that one section one section you are topper, sir, but everywhere you are the topper, that depends upon opposite student. Each section only you are topper, opposite person is very strong, you may become second topper. Like that, sulfur can show minus oxidation state when this combined with less electronegative atom, that is like hydrogen. Sulfur can show positive oxidation state when they combine with more electronegative atom like fluorine, oxygen, chlorine, like that. These are more strong persons. It will take electrons from easily sulfur. But sulfur can take electron from easily hydrogen. That depends upon strength. Opposite person, is strong person or weak person. That decides opposite person. Already yesterday I given that one. Fluorine is the strongest person. It will take electrons from anywhere. Next strongest person oxygen only. He can take electrons from all elements except fluorine. I given these 2 points. I think that point to remember. What is the X here, sir? Very good, sir. Very good. Huh? Then what you understood, sir? Yesterday onwards. What you understood yesterday onwards? Leo Godwin. Huh? What you understood yesterday onwards then? Just simply sitting or sleeping? Array, we are doing introduction of redox reactions. In that particular chapter, I am taking oxidation number. Okay. Once oxidation number completed, we are going to be do normality is the concentration method. After normality, all concentration methods going to be completed. Clear. Then we can do some problems. After that, we can go back again redox reactions, which is balancing equation. That don't worry about structures. You will get all the structures later. By experience, you will get everything. Yes, one peroxide bond means 2 oxygens, 2 into minus 1. Not like that. Each oxygen we have to calculate. Any other? Yes, sir. You will get test sure 200%. Every concept will be there. That is the reason I'm telling, but you are not following my words. Most of the people. I told that one as it is, you have to practice my notes, theory, and rough paper up to your understanding. But if people are following still what you learn 10th standard method, same thing you are following. So who are following same method which you prepared still now, then you are preparing only board exam, but you are not preparing all India exams. If you want to prepare all India exam, at least you have to follow few words of me. Are you getting my voice or not clearly? Someone they are telling voice is breaking continuously. Is it correct or really? Is it breaking now? Is it clear or still breaking? Okay, okay, fine. Try to understand little bit. Please practice, which is you noted in your class notes. Okay. If you're not practicing your class notes, then you can't do next time, sir. Okay. Because you are still following 10th standard methods how to prepare. I can't help you. Please come out from that 10th standard preparation methods. Now this is 11th standard. We are preparing all India exams. So you need to practice on rough paper every point which is you noted down in your notes, and every structure and every point you need to practice again up to you are remembering. Understood? So fine. These are the oxidation numbers. One more point also I'm giving, please down. Right, sir. Please note down signing. A fractional or paradox oxidation number. For example, here Mn3O4. What is the oxidation number of Mn? Mn is X. But how many atoms is there, sir? Here 3 plus 4 into minus 2 equal to 0. Then X equal to 8 by 3. This is as MnO. 2 MnO, MnO2. Here Mn is plus 2. Here Mn is plus 4. Similarly, PV3 this is 3x plus 2 into minus 2 into 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus 8 by 3. Exist as 2 PBO. This is plus 2 plus and 1. Fe3O4. Here also 3x plus minus 4 x equal to plus 8 by 3. Then now my voice is breaking. Okay. Still breaking. Are you able to see my screen? Wait, please respond. Are you able to see my screen? Not getting properly my voice. Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to see? Please respond it. Are you getting my voice or not? No. Please note down first which is appearing on I wrote only this much only on paper. I didn't write everything. Just I wrote only 3 examples. Only 3 examples I wrote, sir. I didn't write too many. Only 3. I stopped it. 3 are able to note it down. Read 3 examples on the screen. Please find it. The 3 are able to note it down or not. Here, fractional oxygen state or not, sir. Iron atom, Pb atom. So this is we call paradox oxidation number or fractional oxidation state. So average oxidation numbers. What is the average oxidation number here? Plus 8/3. What is the Pb average oxidation number? 8/3. I think so. Siding, you understood siding? Fractional oxidation number. Fractional means not exactly integer number. So we got here all are fractional oxidation numbers. So, but we call these oxides are mixed oxides, sir. All these oxides we called mixed oxides. So this is a combination of 2 oxides. Fe3O4, combination of FeO, Fe2O3. Pb3O4, combination of PbO and PbO2. That's why we call all these are mixed oxides. Mixed oxides. Understood? Done? So one more I am going to give carbon suboxide. C3 here -2 +2 0 +2 -2. Carbon suboxide. I am writing surname. Array one point I give starting point. You remember that one? Whenever element they are combined with same atom, that is 0. For example, Cl they are combining like Cl2, sir. You get the oxidation number. 0 is the oxidation number. Is it correct? N2 oxidation number how much, sir? 0. Is it clear? O2 oxidation number 0. Look on screen, you can understand very easily. Look just simple. I'm writing everything which I'm teaching. I wrote everything on screen. You will get a few minutes this like this disturbance. I just will try to avoid complete disturbance. Okay, you won't get, I think so. Similarly, here carbon attaches to with respect to same atom, then 0. Both sides carbon attaches, middle carbon attaches, same carbon, so 0 oxidation number. But we know that one oxygen is -2. So because of oxygen -2 means carbon should be +2. That's the reason here carbon +2. Here oxygen is -2. So because of oxygen -2 means carbon should be +2. And previous question, so this is 2019 or 20, I remember exactly. Write the oxidation number of bromine. What's the bromine? I think so here, sir. Carbon fractional oxidation state 4/3. What about bromine here? Fractional oxidation state 16/. Structure we are writing, sir. Those are oxidation numbers. So this is 6 plus 4 plus 6. Please note down the structure. See, bromine attaches to 3 oxygens, each oxygen minus 2, total minus 6. So total minus 6 means there should be bromine should be plus 6. And middle bromine attaches to only 2 oxygens, minus 2 plus minus 2, minus 4 total. So middle one is plus 4. This thermal again same, 3 oxygens, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, then middle one will get plus 6. Is it completed? Any doubt here? Br3O8. No, Br3O3 we can't say mixed oxide. This is not the mixed oxide. This is only one oxide. This is directly from NCERT chapter redox reactions. They given in green color one book. I think so. Last paper, that is before summary, they given the structure. Both carbon suboxides and this is both they given. How's I hope you can do this one. Bromine 3x. Each minus 2 into 8 equal to 0. 3x equal to 16. Then x equal to how much? 16/3. Bromine also have sulfur like sulfur. Kaushik Babu, I given some introduction all the oxidation states. Do you remember that one? Please look your notes. Everything I given. In your notes I given each and every point. Please refer that notes. Minus and all the list. Clear? Or we have mixed oxide in our syllabus. Only 3 oxides. That 3 I given already. First lesson completed, sir. Few things is remaining. That's we are going to be complete. Monday I'm going to be expecting from you all NCERT book back questions, sir. All NCERT questions I'm expecting from you Monday. So Monday submit all NCERT book back questions, in text questions, everything you have to solve. and solutions you have to write, sir. But don't copy from any other solution source, because I'm going to be ask you have to explain that question. I will make you unmute, then you need to explain that questions. So try to solve by using our class notes and remember that procedures. So Monday I'm going to be ask you. Why that is we can expect after chemical bonding, sir. Why they are showing different action states? We can expect in bromine, like chemical bonding chapter. I will explain in chemical bonding. Now we can't understand. If you know chemical bonding completely, we can do. Otherwise, no use of them. Any other? Array first lesson, some basic concepts, book back questions. I'm going to be expecting from you. Okay. Oxygen is more electronegative compared to chlorine. Already I given that one. Why? You don't remember that point? Shall I go next concept? First chapter completely. In that chapter, whatever they given question, in text, solid example, everything. So I'm going to be ask you from that questions first. Then you can see next JE level examples. I will make you unmute next class. You have to show. I'm giving question that you need to explain. Question number only. I will give that one. Yes, tomorrow you have class. That is for doubt section, sir. Test also will be there very soon. Test also. Yes, I'm going to teach, sir, normality. That is the reason all the things I explained right now. Clear? Saturday is there tomorrow, I think so. Doubt clarification. Mixed oxide I given very few, only 3, 4. That many only can remember whole 2 years. You won't get any extra oxide. Shall I move? Next step. Huh? You're asking too many things which are related, non-related doubts. Tomorrow I have classes, doubt section, chemistry 1 hour is there. Is it okay? Fine, sir. Next I'm going to discuss normality. Before that, I think so. You know that one. How to find out oxidation number? You know that one, everyone. Please, one more concept discuss it. That is too important. Change in oxidation number. Please, can you find oxidation number change here? KMnO4 in presence of acidic medium, H plus acidic medium, sir, acid. It's converted into Mn plus 2. A plus H2O. Can you identify each element oxidation number here? Each element oxidation number, reactant and product. Can you identify? At the same timings morning only. Okay. Can you identify oxidation number of each element in this case? Potassium always plus 1. Mn plus 7. We discussed previous slide. Please find. Oxygen minus 2. Mn here already they given plus 2, that is You don't want solve. Potassium also they given +1, and always plus oxygen is -2. Which element oxidation number changed here? Which element oxidation number changed here? Anyone, please? Which element oxidation number changes here? Very good, sir. Manganese, superb. Okay. How much change occur here? Difference. Or you can write maximum minus minimum here. The difference should be sign only. Take negative sign. 7 minus 2. 5 is the difference here. I think so you know that one. Addition subtractions. Take just number. Don't write sign. Just take difference. Next example, sir. H2O means neutral, sir. This is neutral. pH is, I hope you know that, neutral. pH is 7. In this case, it converted into MnO2. Just find oxidation number here, change. This is +1. Here +4. Anyway, oxygen always -2 only, sir. That won't be changed. What is the difference in oxidation number here? 3. 3 is the change in oxidation. What is the change in oxidation number? OH minus means basic medium. Means reaction occurs in basic medium. That's the meaning. What is the change in oxidation number here? Potassium +1. Mn how much? +7. Oxygen -2. Potassium +1. Mn how much here? Anyone can calculate? Mn how much oxidation state here? Mn. +6. Mn oxidation number +6. What is the difference here? Which is changing oxidation number? Again only Mn. What is the difference here? 1. These three, please ask any doubts you have that one. These three, which you discuss, 3 doubts, please you can ask. These 3. Anyone? Second, fine. What's your doubt, madam? Please look here. Second one, hey, Pranav, please look here. Second one. MnO4 minus. How to calculate oxidation number? Already we discussed that one, but again you can see. MnO4 minus. This is MnX plus oxygen. 4 into -2 equal to -1. Whatever charge is there, that's we need to equal. Then x -8 equal to -1. Then x equal to how much? +1. So I got +7 here. Then here +4. Each oxygen -2 into 2 -4. Then total +4. Difference how much? Yes, you need to find out oxidation number every case. Every case you need to find out. Then take different. What's the siding, sir? Change in oxidation number. Understood that one? Our siding, what's the siding, sir? Change in oxidation number. Yes, MnO4 minus symbol is there, sir. Minus, that is symbol, -1. Any other, please? Array K2 means +2, but each K how much? 2K is 2 means 1K how much? +1. I wrote directly potassium 1 potassium +1. 2K plus only, sir. Raghavan. This is doubt, sir. Next, anyone? Please. If no doubt, means we can do one more example. Any doubt here? I'm giving one more examples. You understood this next example, you need to. That's why I'm waiting for you. If you're asking doubts, I can proceed. If you don't have doubts, you can proceed next. Okay, fine. Next example. K2Cr2O7 converted into Cr2O3 plus K plus H2. You find out here potassium +1, sir. Each element oxygen you can find. Potassium +1, chromium here. Oxygen -2. Here also oxygen -2. Here also oxygen -2. Hydrogen +1. Can you find out chromium? Already we done all these examples 2 times, 1 time also, sir. So +6. If you done x equal to 12, you will get, then x equal to +6. Otherwise keep that one. 2x equal to 12. Here how much 2x equal to 6. This is +3. X equal to +3, but 2x equal to 6. What's the difference here? 3. But how many? For 2 chromium into 2, 6. Otherwise you can take here 2x equal to 12, 2x equal to 6. Difference how much you will get? 6. Any one method you can apply. For chromium, this is the is different, but this is 1 chromium, but 2 chromium is there here. That's why into 2. Understood? You are getting that. Please again, you can ask again your doubts, sir. Please, okay? Let me find difficulties people who are not understanding. Oxidation number, change in oxidation number. Gagandeep. Why should we find? Just fun, sir. Just fun. Huh? Why you are learning all these things? Don't learn. Sit at home. Better, na? Why you have to study all these things? Wait 1 or 2 classes, you can get everything. Huh? Just fun. Right? Any other? I got anyone, sir? Please. Any doubt? Yeah. Again, I'm going to explain last sum. Please listen. That is. Right, 2 methods I'm giving. Please, you can use any one method. Okay, fine. 2 I'm explaining, but again I'm explaining. Please listen and try to find. Here we can calculate chromium, sir. How much will it chromium? This is 2x 2 into 1 plus 2x because of chromium plus 7 into minus 2 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 12. Is it correct? 2x equal to 12. Or x equal to how much will get, sir? 6. Any one you can take, up to you. Here 2 chromium. Here also. Here 2 chromium. That's why 2 you have to take. Chromium is there. So I am taking 2x equal to 12. If you want to calculate 1x equal to 6. Here also you can calculate. This is 2x plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 6, then x equal to 3. If you are taking difference between 2x to x, means total we are considering 2x equal to 12 and 2x equal to 6. What's the difference we are getting, sir? 12 minus 6, 6 you will get. Otherwise, x equal here 6 and here 3. How much you will get? Difference is 3. 3 is for 1 chromium, sir. Because x value we are taking 6. 1 chromium is 3 difference, but 2 chromium how much? Because reactant have 2 chromium. 1 chromium we are getting, both side difference is 3. For 2 chromium, 6. That is the reason we are multiplying into 2. This is 1 chromium we are getting, sir, here. 6 minus 3. This is 1 chromium. For 2 chromium, how much? This is the difference. Array x means 1 chromium only. X means 1 chromium. 2x means 2 chromium because 2 chromium changing oxidation state. That's why I'm taking both. But final answer is 6 only is the correct answer. Because totally you have to calculate. You can't stop half of. If you done only 1 chromium means half answer you done. But I need full answer. That's why into 2. Any doubt here? Okay, we'll meet later. Okay, little bit practice and come tomorrow. Come with some doubts tomorrow. Come with some doubts, we'll discuss tomorrow. Clear? Thank you very much, everyone. Yes, KMNO for oxidizing agent only. At the same time, I think so 9:40 or 10:50 will be there. After this, we have class or not? I don't know that one. Huh? Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.